They have just presented a cell phone for gamers, which could very well pass as a cheap RedMagic. For those who don't know, Nubia owns the RedMagic brand, and in turn, ZTE owns Nubia. So we could...
That this device is part of exactly the same family of RedMagic. We are talking about the Nubia Neo 2 5G, a device that even has touch triggers and a very attractive design for gamers, but its price is very tight. So it could be a very interesting alternative for RedMagic fans, but who do not want to spend so much money. This device integrates a 6.72-inch screen with Full HD Plus resolution in its refresh rate, and it also has stereo sound with support for DTS-X Ultra. Its battery is 6,000 milliamps and supports fast charging of 33 watts. As I told you before, it has touch triggers on its sides for a better gaming experience. The processor has been revealed to be an octa-core. They have not specified which model, but it is said that it could be the Unisoc T820. And I know that many at this point will say that thing is not going to be good for gaming, but you don't have to judge it before you try it. In fact, from personal experience, I could tell you that the Unisoc 600 series processors are very simple, but the 700 series have given me considerably good performance. I have tested the Unisoc 760, and the truth is the performance surprised me for the better. So I suppose that these Unisoc processors of the 800 series are going to be much more powerful, although I repeat that this device seeks to adjust its price but offer attractive features for gamers. So it is likely that is why they have made the decision to incorporate a Unisoc processor that do not usually have a very high reputation, but probably in this processor model if they reach a considerably good performance for gaming. The maximum frequency of this processor reaches 2.7 GHz and offers up to 256 GB of storage and up to 20 GB of dynamic RAM. Although you know that here is combined physical RAM and virtual RAM, so they still do not make it very clear how much is physical RAM. Surely the details will be revealed a little later on. Fortunately, the storage did reveal that it is UFS 3.1, so it is considerably fast. Being a gamer-focused device, it includes GameSpace 2.0 feature and a good multi-layer cooling system. For now, no further details have been released regarding its cameras and other specs, but honestly, I would love to try this device priced at $199. On the screen, you see the reference price in other currencies to give you an idea of how economical it can be, and consider that it has a screen with good refresh rate, touch triggers, and a processor that will have to be tested, but the experience for gamers could be attractive.